Good day folks, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this GoPro accessory that basically adds a vlogging mirror to your GoPro. This is compatible with the GoPro Hero 8 Black and of course many older GoPros. Is it worth the $20 price tag? Let's just jump right in and find out. So in this video, we're going to talk about whether this vlogging mirror is worth the $20 price tag. $20 isn't a lot of money, but if it's not something that's useful, then it is kind of a waste. For many people, this might be quite appealing just because it's a lot less money than what GoPro is offering for vlogging. When GoPro announced the Hero 8 Black, alongside of it, they also announced all the new mods that are going to be available. You can purchase the light mod now on the GoPro website and the media mod, but the display mod is still unavailable for purchase. It does state that it's going to be available for pre-order in February, but with everything going on overseas, that might change. And not to mention, to use the GoPro display mod, you have to also purchase the media mod. Each one comes in at $79.99 plus your taxes. You're looking at an extra $200 to get that vlogging display. Now definitely if you are a heavy vlogger with your GoPro, that's probably well worth it. But for somebody who does a bit of casual vlogging, you might not want to spend that much money. Something like this might be your better option. When I first seen this advertised and I ordered it in, I didn't know how actually useful it would be, if it would work all that well, if it was more just kind of gimmicky. But I can say after using it, it is actually quite useful and it does work well. And we'll kind of put it together and I'll show you how it works here in a minute. But first, let's take a look what all comes inside the box. First of all, you get the main unit and it can be adjusted in many different ways. The mirror also spins side to side. We get a thumb screw to attach the GoPro. And if you notice here, we also get a second base. And I'm actually kind of glad that they did include it. At first, I wasn't quite sure what it was for, but it really does make sense. If you're going to be vlogging, of course, you want to attach a microphone. As you can see here, it actually has a holder for the microphone adapter that you can use with the Hero 5, 6, 7 and the Hero 8. It's also got a cold shoe for attaching your microphone, and it still has the mount back there for attaching the mirror. So it's nice that they give you the option. If you don't plan on using a microphone with your setup, you don't have to have this extra bulk on there. You can just have the simple mirror if you plan on using the built-in audio on the Hero 8 Black. So let's go ahead and we'll put this together. The GoPro just mounts into the finger mounts there at the front. We'll then secure it in with the thumb screw. In this baggie here, they do give you a few extra parts. Most notably, they give you a finger mount. So you can attach that to the quarter 20 if you're going to be mounting it to some kind of handle that has a finger mount on it. If you have a handle that has a quarter 20, you can just screw it in directly. The other nice thing here, you can see when it's folded up, it doesn't take up a lot of room, so it will store in your camera bag and doesn't add a lot of bulk. When you're not vlogging with the mirror and you just want to grab some handheld shots, you can actually just fold it down and use it as a handle. Let's go ahead and we'll attach a grip to the bottom. When you're ready to use it, you just fold the mirror out like that. And believe it or not, it actually works quite well. You can actually get a very nice clear view of your screen. I'm going to try and demonstrate it here for you on camera, but it's going to be hard just with the camera angling to see how well it actually works. But as you can see there, you can see the reflection of the back screen quite easily. It gives you that nice view, just enough to line up your shot. Nothing worse than vlogging with your GoPro and you get home and check the footage to find out you've got the top of your head cut off, or maybe you're not quite centered, or perhaps there's too much empty space above you. With this way, you know you're always lined up. And for 20 bucks, it's not really a bad investment. Now again, this is probably one of those accessories for your GoPro. If you're not a vlogger, it's probably not much use to you. Now I can see this being useful in other situations, perhaps if you're a moto vlogger. I know sometimes people will have a couple GoPros on their bike, maybe on their helmet. Sometimes they'll have them on their handlebars facing forward. Sometimes they'll have them facing themselves to get some B-roll footage. Mounting the GoPro on your handlebars with this mirror behind it will always let you know that you have it lined up properly and you're not cut off. So in that situation would probably also work very well. I'm just going to take this apart for the time being, and we're going to try the other mount and see how it goes together. So basically all we have to do is take this screw out here. It's a very long one, just like that. So we'll pull the mirror off, and basically we'll just attach it to this base here. Put the screw back in. So here we have the mirror now attached to the other base that has the cold shoe and the microphone adapter holder. So let's go ahead and we will remount our GoPro. We will add a handle. I did forget to take the door off first. It's a good idea to do that before you mount it because this large thumb screw kind of gets in the way of removing it. We'll just insert the microphone adapter in there like that, plug it in. We will add a microphone to the cold shoe on the side, and now we'll just connect the microphone cable just like that. So there we go, we got it all set up. There's a little bit of bulk to it, but it's not very heavy at all. It's just made of plastic. This extra mount's just all plastic, so it doesn't add a lot of extra weight. It's still very comfortable to hold. When you're done and you're packing up for the day, you can just fold the mirror in and stick it in your camera bag just like that. So I would have to say, yes, this is definitely worthwhile for $20. So I've actually been using it now for about a week and a half, maybe even going on 2 weeks. And I find it works really well. Of course, when the display mod comes in, I am going to be ordering it as well just to check it out. But definitely, if you don't want to spend that kind of money to get the a vlogging screen, something like this is definitely a good choice. And for $20, if it's not something you use very often, it's not a lot of money that you have invested that's sitting in a drawer. And it's just handy when you need it. You can grab it and go. I'll include the links down below where you can go and check it out further on Amazon. Unfortunately, it's not available on the Canadian Amazon as of yet. You can get it on Amazon.com. But it does ship to Canada. Some products from the US Amazon will not ship to Canada, but this definitely does. Well, folks, that is basically it for my video. I'd be curious to know down below in the comments what you think of it. Do you own one? Are you happy with it? It'd be nice to read some comments down below on what your user experience has been with it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.